Hello viewers, welcome to this quick overview of Cloudtryx Invoice. In this video, we'll take a simple walkthrough of the interface and understand how everything works. The first and most important step is setting up your business profile. You need to fill in your business details like your business name, contact information, logo, bank details, and other essential information. Once your business profile is completed, all the other features of the software will be unlocked for you. Now, let's get started with the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a complete overview of your business. Here, you can easily track your total invoices, total received payments, and unpaid invoices. This helps you quickly understand your business performance, how much you've earned, how much is pending, and your overall receivables. You'll also find a visual graph that shows the ratio of invoices and payments, making it easier to analyze your financial progress. At the top, you have the settings option where you can access your profile, notifications, and log out. You'll also receive alerts for overdue invoices and important updates. Now, let's move to the invoice section. Here, you can create tax invoices and manage all your invoices. In the invoice reports, you can view the status of each invoice, whether it is paid, unpaid, or partially paid. Next is the products and services section. You can add your products or services here so you don't have to enter them manually every time while creating an invoice. You can also view and manage all your listed items easily. Then comes the client section. Here you can add and manage all your client details in one place. This makes it quick and easy to access client information whenever needed. In the taxes section, you can add and manage taxes based on your business location. Now let's look at the settings. Here, you can set default invoice notes, receipt notes, and add terms and conditions. These will automatically appear on your invoices, giving them a more professional look. Next is the My Profile section. Here, you can manage your account details, check your plan validity, and update your password. One of the most important sections is the Reports section. Here, you can generate detailed reports for invoices, payments, and receivables. You can customize reports based on date range, clients, or status, and download them for better business analysis. In the Help section, you can raise queries or contact support directly. And finally, in the Upgrade section, you can view your current plan and upgrade it anytime. So, this was a quick overview of how Cloudtryx Invoice works and how it simplifies your business operations. For a detailed step by step tutorial, check out our YouTube channel.